Good morning students. Today we are going to study chapter 3 of our grammar book, that is negative sentences. Now open your grammar book, keep one pencil in your hand, one eraser in your hand students. Now let's recall what we have read in previous chapter. So chapter 2 was the sentences of your grammar book. Now I taught you how to make questions. Now if anybody can recall, yes, by placing the verb in the sentence, by changing the place of verb in the sentence, you can make the questions which you can answer in yes or no. Like, he is tall. So, is verb you will place before he. Is he tall? And this is a question. Then, it is raining hard. Is it raining hard? Now you have, what have you done? You have changed the place of verb. So in this way I taught you how to make questions which you can answer in yes or no. Now today I am going to teach you how to make negative sentences. So open chapter number 3 of your book. Negative sentences. Open chapter 3. So how to make a negative sentence. How you can convert a positive sentence into a negative sentence. Positive sentence is changed into negative sentence by adding no or not. You can change one positive sentence into negative sentence by adding no or not. Now, let's understand it from the example. Harshita is a doctor. Now, where you will place no or not? What you will place here? You will place not here. So, let's write Harshita. What will be the answer? Harshita, how will you make it negative? Harshita is, and then after helping word you will write down this negative word is not a doctor. Now in this way you have changed one positive sentence into negative sentence. Harshita is a doctor. Harshita is not a doctor. You have made this positive sentence a negative one. Now, what are the other ways you can change? Placing not after is am are. If the sentence, the positive sentence contains is am are. So, where will you place not? You will place not after is am are. Is example you have seen? After is you place not and positive sentence is changed into a negative sentence. Now let's see another example. I am a student. So where will you place not to make it a negative sentence? I am, after am. See, this sentence is am are. After is am are you will place not and it will be changed into negative. So I am a student. I am not a student. So in this way a positive sentence is changed into a negative sentence. Now let's see one more example. They are my neighbors. Now here see this sentence has are. So you will place not after are. So what will be the negative sentence of this? They are not my neighbors. So in this way students, you can change one positive sentence into a negative sentence. Now, you can change positive into negative sentences also by placing not after will, shall and can. You can place not after will, after shall, after can if these three words comes in the sentence. Now, for example, let's understand it from example. I can ride a bicycle. Now see, here can is there. Now this is a positive sentence. You have to make it negative. So you will place not after can. I can not. I cannot ride a bicycle. And see, this sentence, positive sentence is changed into negative sentence. I can ride a bicycle. I cannot ride a bicycle. So you have changed one positive sentence into negative sentence by placing not after can. Now let's understand from another example. They will come to my house. Now see, here will is there, so you will place not after will and your sentence will be they will not come to my house. They will not come to my house. Now see, after placing not after will, you have changed this positive sentence into negative sentence. They will come to my house. You have placed not after will. They will not come to my house. Now, adding do and does. Also, you can change one positive sentence into negative sentence. Now, where you will place this do and does? Before not. If you are going to change one positive sentence into negative sentence, you have to place do and does before not. Now see, there you will place do and. Now let's learn where to use do and where to use does. Now children, if these two words come in sentence and you have to make it a negative sentence, so not will be placed after do and does. Like I play. Now let's see one example. I play. Now what will be the negative? I do not play. Now he plays. He does not plays. So children, with do and does words, you will place not after does not and do not. Play, I do not play. Now, where to use do and where to use does. Now, with I, you, we, they. With I, you, we, they and plural nouns. You will use do with I, you, we, they and plural noun. And where to use does, you will use does with he, she, it and singular noun. Okay children, so do you will use with I, you, we, they and plural noun, and does you will use with he, she, it and singular noun. So I play. I do not play. To make it a negative, you will place not after do. And here he plays. So you will place not after does. He, it is, you will use does here. So he does not plays. So in this way you will use these words in the sentence to make it a negative. Do, you, we, they and plural nouns. Do is used and does is used with he, she, it and singular noun. Now let's see some other examples. Now students, we will do some exercises also in the book itself. Now I hope you understood how to convert positive into a positive sentence into a negative sentence. Like in your book, few examples are given. I like eggs. Now, what will you use here? It's a positive positive. And how will you change it into negative? I do not like eggs. Understood? Next example, we have pets. We have pets. Now, if you have to change it into negative, where you will add not? We do not have pets. We do not have pets. Okay, so with singular you have, with plural you have used do. We have pets, we do not have pets. Okay, so now children, open page number 16. Open page number 16 of your book. Page number 16, your exercise is we are going to do first exercise, tick the correct sentence and cross the incorrect sentence. The sentences which are correct you have to put a tick, and the sentences which are wrong you have to put a cross. I not like to read storybook. Is it a correct sentence? No, it is not a correct sentence. So what will be the correct sentence? I do not like to read story books. This will be the correct. So it is wrong. So put cross. Binita does not play with me. See, Binita, it's a singular noun, so does is used. So it is correct. Binita does not play with me. So put a tick. It's correct. Then the mice do not run after the cat. So is it correct? Yes. Children, the mice do not run after the cat. This is wrong. Why? Because it is singular noun and what should be used? Does. Then Hari does like no maths. Now see, is it correct? With Hari singular noun does is used, but still it is wrong. Why? Because not is not placed after does. Hari does not like maths will be the correct. So it is wrong. So fourth, put cross. Then we do not eat meat. It is correct. Then I do not like spinach. It is correct. Then they do not go out much. It is correct. Pooja, no, not swimming. Is it correct sentence? No. So eighth is wrong. Then ninth one, Gautam not sing does well. No children. No, ninth one, I do not play the guitar daily. I do not play the guitar daily. So it is correct. Gautam not sing does well. This is wrong. Then 11th number. I do not watch cartoon shows. So it is correct. Now 12th number. My father does not like noodles. So this is also correct. So you have to put these tick marks in the boxes which is given in front of the sentence. Now next children, we will do next exercise. Choose the correct option. So 4 options are given. This exercise is also on page number 16 and will continue on page number 17. So this is exercise A. Choose the correct option. Sonu dash surprised. So what will be the correct option? C. Sonu is not surprised. So you will put a tick on C. Sonu is not surprised. What is C option? Is not. Then second question. Minash dash an Indian. What will come? Do not, does not, am not, is not. What will come? Is not. So it is also C option. Is not an Indian. Now third one, children. Dash open the window. So what will come? Children, with imperative sentences, does not come. So here what will come? Do not open the window. So again A option will come. Do not. Always keep in mind when the blank is on the first place, you will begin with capital letter. Deepak dash plays football. Now with singular noun does will come. So B option is correct. Fourth B. Deepak does not, D-O-E-S, does not plays football. Next children, the painting dash beautiful. The painting, what will come? Is not beautiful. So C is correct. The painting is not beautiful. Now sixth one, Abdul and Imran dash brothers. So plural is there. So R will come. Are not brothers. So sixth one, D option is correct. Are not. Now seven children, this curry dash tasty. So what will come? Is not tasty. This curry, this is option number C, is not tasty. Now this clock dash show the correct time. Now this clock, this is singular noun, so does will come. This clock does not show the correct time. So correct option is B. This clock does not show correct time. Now turn page 9th number. Rebecca dash like sweets. Rebecca does not like sweets. D option, does not. Rebecca does not like sweets. 10. The Sharmas dash live here anymore. Now Sharmas, it is plural noun. So what will come? The Sharmas do not live here anymore. So A option is correct. Do not. 11. Elephants dash eat meat. So plural noun, do not will come. A option. Do not. Now 12th one, I am writing here 12th part. Water dash have any color. So water does not have any color. So B option is correct. Does not. So students, fill these two exercises in your book itself. It is given on page number 16, 17 and some part on page number 18. Thank you and have a good day.